All right, so we're trying a pool day today, but it doesn't look like it's going to cooperate with us. What about you? You think it's going to cooperate?
No.
No? Me neither. Ready?
It's really cold.
Go.
Yeah.
I don't think it's swimming weather. That's thunderstorms. That's thunder in the background. It seems that the weather's not going to cooperate today for a pool day, is it? But we did get the place cleaned up. Got the white back in the rug. So I guess the weather's not going to cooperate today, is it? No? Me too. Okay, no pool day today. I guess all we have left to say is...
In the next video, like, and subscribe for the next video, guys.
Is that English? If you liked the video, hit the plus and subscribe. Is that what you said? Something like that. Bye.